What's up, guys? So for today's video, we are going to react to Stell Room music video. Nakapag-react na ako dun sa mga teasers ng music video and sa lyric video. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, sa description yung link. And I can't wait. Sobrang excited ako, guys. Nung pagka-upload ko dun sa sa first reaction ko dito, first listen ko dito sa Room ni Stell, mga after ng 30 minutes, nag-upload na agad si Stell. So hindi ako nakapag-react kasi pagod na ako nun. And yeah, super excited ako. Like, I'm expecting na sobrang sexy and may partner si Stell dito based sa thumbnail. So, I'm excited kung sino siya. Kasi nakita ko siya dun sa music video teaser. Tinatanong ko sa inyo, pero di ko alam kung sino yun. And so, curious talaga ako sino yun. So, before I proceed, guys, I just wanna say thank you dun sa mga nag-comments. Thank you for replying my question sa video. Sabi ni Yuri Chiro 1698 is si Ken daw yun or Philip yung kumanta dun sa part na deep voice. Thank you so much, Yuri Chiro 1698 for answering my question. And di kasi nakakabigla din. It makes sense din naman if si Stell, si Ken or Philip yung deep lines na nag-blend. So I can wait na papanoorin natin yung music video. This is my first time watching this one. Let's go! 1C Entertainment. Oh. I see the strawberry right there. You see the strawberry logo.
Clear the stage, everyone!
Gusto ko to kasi unique Like, alam mo yung parang may storytelling pa at first. Like, alam mo yung kukwento niya muna yung for sure this story sa kanta kung ba't ganito yung vibe, ganito yung yung context. Ini-introduce na yung context, guys. So basically, parang nag-audition si Stell.
As soon as I step forward and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind.
Not gonna lie, parang isa siya sa member ng BINI, yung yung babae.
Happens all the time. You tell me I can't get you.
Kala ko isa sa mga members ng BINI, guys. Like, ang ganda niya.
My mind, my oh my. Come on, get it, let's talk about it in my book. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade.
Very 70s or mga lumang vibe yung dating talaga Especially with these effects.
Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry.
Yo, chill, Stell, chill. Guys, chill. At parang tinatamaan na sila. Sobrang sexy na. Hindi lang sa Stell yung nagiging sexy dito
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Woo. Can you read the room? Can you read the room?
Yes, we can read the room.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. And now you've tried, one of a kind.
Oh my God. Ba't ganun yung shot dun na part? Damn. Oh my God, guys. Like, etong vibe na to, like, especially the intro, very Bruno Mars. Very Bruno Mars talaga. Like, as in. Wala na akong pwedeng iba pang maiisip dun. Yung parang patak na mga drum beats. Ano talaga? As in Bruno Mars. And sana magkaroon sila ng collab, diba? In the future with Bruno Mars and Style. Or with that group SB19. Na-curious ako, guys. Akala ko kasi, guys, like, pag 1Z Entertainment, like, yung intro lang is for the group na mga music videos or like songs. And for the solo din pala, okay, like music video for solo artists ng mga SB19 members. Akala ko kasi sa ano lang is SB19 lang na group yun nalalagay.
It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. Might have sent you way too high.
Damn. Guys, sino to, guys? Like, comment down below, guys, kung anong pangalan niya. Like, ang ganda lang ng ano niya, ng performance or like ng role niya dito na part. Like sa music video.
Hope you come alive. And I promise first and shivers down your spine.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Naku, marami magsiselos na ito. Wala na. Marami magsiselos na ito. Oh my God. Damn, Style, damn. Damn, girl.
Alive. And I promise first and shivers down your spine.
Di ko alam kung sino mas swerte, no? Oh my God. Actually, medyo familiar tong ano, yung mga nakalagay sa suot ni Style. Etong parang mga circles, like mga different colors na mga, ano, na nakalagay. Parang nasuot niya, or like, parang may resemblance ito dun sa Bingo Plus na event, like, yung naka purple suit ata yun si Style, something, may mga ano din, shining shimmerings, ganun. Damn! Oh, maraming maglalaya sa farm.
Forever bound you and I.
Woo! Sobrang dikit nun. Sobrang dikit na nun, Style. Like, alam yun. Wow.
We don't need that, let time slow its pace. Fade to
Whoa.
black, cause now we're face to face.
Whoa.
There's the only answer. This energy that's within me won't ever let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty.
Damn! Grabe, Style, ilang shots na to Like, ilang best mo na to pinapakita sa music video Like, parang gustong-gusto ni Style. Actually, guys, very sexual ng ano, na like, ng music video. Especially, makita mo naman sa mga suot ng mga backup dancers. Alam mo yun. Actually, ang ganda na ito, by the way. So, walang puriin. Compliment. Like, ang ganda na ito. Silver and gold with 3, strings.
I see me flow in your body. Picture.
Oh my God, wait. Wow.
Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body.
Oh my God, Style. Na may level up pa. Hindi lang pang I Want You na music video. May partners na. May partner na.
Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a.
Damn. God damn, Style. Kala ko isa lang. But wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, Style. Dapat isa lang tayo, Style. Ba't ang dami niyan? Share natin. Di joke lang. Oh my God. Chill, Style. Chill.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Dance.
Wow. Girls, chill. Kung saan na lang napupunta ang mga kamay nyo. Wait.
Hit it.
God damn. Oh, dito na naman na part ulit. Kanina pa sila dito nagtititigan. Walang katapusan eh, no? Ang tawag dyan, guys, I language, no? Non-verbal communication yan, guys.
You worry as long as you're here.
Wow! Medyo masahit matawa dito ah.
Baby, don't you worry as long as you're here with me. You won't take no hurt cause
Honestly guys, wala namang pwedeng sabihin pa. Di ko na uulitin pa. Masasaktan talaga 18 dito. Madudurog puso nila dito. Lalo na yung mga strawberries.
I will be as long as you're here with me. You won't take no hurt cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room cause I'm your everything.
Woo! Michael Jackson,
Can you read the room?
Bruno Mars, Stella Hero.
Read the room. Can you?
Gusto ko yun ah. Like, alam mo yung kwan. By the way guys, gusto lang itama yung sinabi ko last video. Like, sabi ko say aw pala. Okay na, mispronounce ko. Gusto ko na yung part na yun. Very, Michael Jackson.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Yo! Nice. Ganda. Style Room. Alright. Let's see this one. Room performed by Style. Okay, baka nandito yung pangalan nila. Written by Pablo. Oh, wow. Produced by Rad Kids. Executive producer, Style producer, Wanzi Entertainment. Creative director, yeah, support. As always, Justin De Dios.
A few minutes later. A few inches later.
Project manager, producer. Special thanks to Pablo, yeah, the members, Josh, Philip, Justin. But small letter yung Justin dito. Dito lang. Dapat capital letter. It's a name. Dito. Ano pangalan ng mga dancers, scouts? The Berries. Special thanks, yeah, the Berries, the 18. Sana yung mga Berries, no, mananatili pa ng Berries after this video. Sino yung mga nag-perform? Yung mga backup dancers, like, yung mga scouts. Scouts ba yun? Hindi ako nagkakamali. Ito ba yung mga nag-perform? As performers, ayun pala. Ngayon ko lang nakita, sorry. Yeah, ang ganda ng music video actually. Ang ganda. So, papakinggan pa natin isang best, guys, like, the whole song. We're running it back.
Clear the stage, everyone!
Medyo masungit
Pakikuha ng mic.
Mataray dun ah. By the way guys, saan nila to sinute? Like, Philippines, right? Para kasing nung nasa labas pa si Stell, parang hindi siya sa Philippines. Honestly, like, parang sa somewhere outside of Philippines. Transition dito.
As soon as I step forward and try to make myself alive. I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. My oh my. Come on, get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Can you read the room?
Yes, we can read the room.
Can you read the room? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. Might have sent you way too high.
Damn.
Hope you come alive. Then I promise, but then shivers down your spine. My oh my.
My oh my.
Forever bound you and I. Space. We don't need that. Let time slow its pace. Fade to black, cause now we're face to face. This the only
My oh my.
answer. This energy that's within me won't ever let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending.
Ba't may
Savor
papisil pa dun
every
eh, no?
bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Dance. Hit it. Go.
Let's go. Hey, hey.
Baby, don't you worry. As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, cause I'm your everything.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it.
Can you read the room?
Yes. Can they read the
Read
room?
the room.
Yeah.
Can you?
The vibe.
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Style Room. So that's it, guys. Super ganda ng music video. Especially, binigyan talaga to ng oras na Style efforts. Alam mo yun. The production team to have Style's first single as a solo artist. And napansin ko lang, guys, parehas si Style, Ken, or Philip na parang sobrang sensual ng ng music video, especially the Palayo. Pero mas grabe nga lang to. And Wild Tonight din by Josh, more on vampire. Pero iba kasi to eh. If i-compare ko lang, guys, by what I've seen, kasi I've already seen The Palayo by Philip and The Wild Tonight by Josh Collin. If parehas naman sila lahat maganda, okay. Compare ko lang sila by sensual, like sobrang sexy ganun. I would say ito yung pinaka-sexy na first na drop as a SB19 member. So sobrang ganda lang kasi lahat ng mga members ng SB19, they have their own music, they have their own song. as a solo artist kasi they need to grow on their own. Nagsosolo sila but they still thinking about their group, no? Parang priority pa rin nila yung grupo nila sama-sama. So before I end this video, guys, I just wanna say thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button below and click the notifications. Comment down below kung anong reaction or like ano masasabi niyo sa music video ni Style Ahero as a solo artist. That's it, guys. Adios.